Hi everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guarantee RV. Thank you for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to take you over a 2017 Keystone Cougar. It is a 26 SABWE. We're going to go over the inside first and then we're going to finish off on the exterior. Follow me. The first thing you might be asking yourself is, what's an SABWE? I don't really know, but it's a rear lounge is what it is. So we've got a 26-foot box with a rear lounge here. So we've got our two chairs in the back, our couch that can come out to a sleeper, our large U-shaped dinette that can also be made down into a sleeper. It's got the freestanding table, which is nice. You can use it for additional cooking space and prepping space. Got our double sink here, stainless steel, 3-burner stove, good size oven, fair amount of storage. There's our sink cover down in there right now, kind of blocking the back. We've got a big box down there. We've got a little drawer here. So a good amount of kitchen storage. More up here too. Fridge freezer combination. And we do have a nice pantry too. This has got adjustable shelves here. And then this is the place for the TV here with a media player down here. That'll do CDs and DVDs. Let's move into the front of the trailer. It's where the main bedroom is. The only bedroom. So we've got a full walk around queen. We do have a door into this room, which is nice, and a safety exit right there in case you need to get out in a hurry. And to your side here, we have a bathroom with glass shower door, which I love that. Helps keep the water where you want it. Good setup in here. Nice room around the toilet for your legs. Good sink that you can get to and actually use, and a medicine cabinet. I also like the window in the hallway. That's in more light. One of the things I love on a rear lounge is all the windows you get, and you can see as we walk around here, it's got windows all the way around this side. In the back, the large window just lets a ton of light in. A nice feature the Cougar has as well is the slide out tray. It's really good for putting bikes, coolers, firewood, any of those kinds of things. Your 30 amp power cord is actually right here as well. We've got a ladder for getting on your roof. Got manual corner stabilizers all the way around the trailer. More of those windows. Windows on both sides of the slide. Windows in the hallway, windows in the bedroom. This trailer's got a lot of windows, so it just lets in a lot of light. Your city water connection, your fresh water, if you're going to take it with you, that's where you fill it up. Let's take a look at this pass-through storage here. Goes completely through. Lots of room in there. And it's a slam latch door on a magnet, so no little plastic clip to break over time. You've got the large propane tanks on this trailer and the electric tongue jack. So anybody that buys from Guarantee, we fill your propane tanks. If it has a slide, which this one obviously does, we give you 2 batteries, 2 interstates, 12 volts in a box. So they'll be nice, clean, and brand new for you when you come to pick it up. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057 if you have any questions on this 2017 Cougar or any of our other RVs in stock. Thanks a lot for taking your time, guys. Have a great day.